This is a review of the Nutrition Lab Hibiscus Flower Tea Bag. The brand sent this to me so I can test and do a review. And in each bag, there is cut and sifted hibiscus flower. And then in this particular size, there are 60 tea bags. And it had a nice little pull tab to open in the back, and it is resealable. And so how we do this is you can serve the hibiscus tea either hot or cold. And look at that amazingness in there. It's very chunky. Nice large dried flowers. And so all we do is I'll be doing mine hot. I already did prepare some hot water. And so we just pour it over and then let it steep for about 3 to 5 minutes. You can also enjoy this over ice, cold. These are GMO and gluten-free. I also don't find that this hibiscus tea tends to be as in-your-face tart as some others that I have tried as well.